Hi, and welcome to Body Metrix, the show that teaches you how to incorporate healthy nutrition principles into your busy lifestyle. My name is Adrienne Delgado, and I'm a registered dietitian in the community. Today, I'm excited to share with you a healthy dessert recipe only using 3 ingredients: peanut butter powder, a small container of applesauce, and chocolate chips. That's right, we're making healthy peanut butter cups. Now you can use any peanut butter powder, but I'm going to be using the PB Fit, got this one at Costco, and these small applesauce cups. I always have these in my pantry for the kids' lunches. I'm also going to be using mini chocolate chips, but you can use dark chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips. I just think the mini chocolate chips melt a little bit faster. To prepare this recipe, all we're going to do is take a cup of our peanut butter powder, which is great because it's high in protein, low in fat, definitely much lower than a regular peanut butter cup you'd get at the store. That's about good. So we got a cup of peanut butter powder, and we're just going to add one of these applesauce cups to it. My kids really like making this recipe. It's so simple. All right. After we've added the applesauce to the peanut butter powder, we're just going to mix. Again, really simple. And we're basically going to mix until it turns into a dough. It'll be a little bit of a wet dough, but a dough nonetheless. Sometimes it's easier to get in with your hands and mix it up, but I think it's coming together pretty nice, so we're just going to keep going with a spoon. So you can see it's starting to represent like a dough, like if you were going to make a pie shell or something like that. All right, I think I'm going to finish it the rest of the way with my hand, just to make sure all the ingredients are incorporated. All right, so you can kind of see what consistency we're looking for in this dough. Next, we're going to take little pieces of the dough. You can either roll them out in the shape of a peanut butter egg, or if you want, you can roll them into a ball. You can do different things. You can have fun with it. And we're just going to dip them in our melted chocolate chips. So you can use a microwave to melt your chocolate chips. You can use a double broiler, but you're just going to take your peanut butter cup, throw it in that chocolate, move it around. I think it's easier to use a fork than it is a spoon, so you don't get big globs of chocolate. And then you're just gently going to pull it out, get rid of some of that excess. And then I just lined this container with some parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Oops, let me do one more for you. So again, just pull apart your dough, go ahead and give it a nice roll, and then stick it in your melted chocolate. And again, this is such an easy snack idea that the kids can do, which makes it a fun family activity. And then you just go ahead, pull it out of your melted chocolate, and stick it in your container. And that's it, nice and easy. Once you're done making your peanut butter cups, simply put them in the refrigerator or the freezer until the chocolate hardens. And that's it. A high protein dessert you can feel really good about that's so simple, even your kids can make it. Enjoy.